Looking for a gooseneck trailer that doesn't break the bank? Meet the LQ, the 102-inch low-pro flat deck from PJ Trailers Quest series. Built for high performance without the high price tag, giving you premium quality without breaking the bank. Let's dive into why the LQ is a high-performance and premium quality trailer at an affordable price, delivering stability and durability for every ride. The LQ comes with monster ramps, wider, stronger, and ready for anything. These new and improved monster ramps are ultra-wide and fold flat to the deck. The LQ comes with a 102-inch wide deck, complete with a tough rub rail and stake pockets. The full-width design gives you all the space you need, plus plenty of options to securely strap down your gear with ease. With the retractable monster step, you get a solid grip to step up, then easily slide it out of the way when you're finished, ready for the next job. The LQ is standard with dual tires and 7K axles for a 15,900-pound GVWR, with available 8K axles for a 17,500-pound GVWR, giving you the strength and durability to handle the heaviest loads. Equipped with a lockable toolbox for secure storage and dual drop leg jacks rated for 12,000 pounds each, this trailer ensures effortless leveling and support. It's got your back. Featuring a heavy-duty coupler and neck, it's the same durable neck used on many other heavy-duty PJ trailers, like the heavy-duty DD Dump. The LQ comes with a 25K 2 5/16" gooseneck coupler for extra strength and durability. Best of all, you can customize the LQ to your specific hauling needs by choosing from PJ's huge selection of industry-leading options. Visit pjtrailers.com today to learn more about the LQ, locate your nearest PJ dealer, and see how what drives you drives us.